These nice smallmouth like this, Remy, they just can't stand a little finesse jig. I saw this one here cruising around the bank, pitched up there to him. He come over and just sucked it in. I didn't even know he had it until I pulled against him, and I felt him take off with it. But hopefully we'll get some more on video here. Hey, come here, man. Sit. Here. Give him a kiss. Good boy. There we go. Stop that. Back. Sit. Well, this naughty little guy decided to grab it and run right at me with it. I pulled it off a rock, and all of a sudden it just went weightless. I set the hook, and here he came. You gonna give him a kiss, Remy? Here, give him a kiss. Come here. Give him a kiss. Good boy. Hey, Remy, back. He's mad. He didn't even get a chance to pull. In the back. Alright, so I just tried to throw top water to this fish, and well, it didn't work out. My line ended up going over top of a small limb in the water I didn't see, and picked up the jig, tossed it over there. I accidentally tossed it right on top of this fish. I believe that some of these are spawning, and all of a sudden the jig went weightless, and here she is. You gonna give her a kiss? Here, give her a kiss. Come here. Give her a kiss. Well, not a smallmouth, but I'll take it. That was a hell of a hit. That's the kind of jig bite you dream of. I hope in the sunlight you guys were able to see the line jump off this old drum here, which is Remy's favorite fish. But this thing, I thought it was a smallmouth from hell with the way he hit. I mean, it jarred me all the way down to my elbow. Here, boy. You want your fish? There you go.